Yeah, my scene saying on the behavior. But carry on for my please. Cause I know anybody can control you, and that's why I always bring the pussy to me. Yeah.
Hey, my name is Bicana. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Today I'm gonna do an initial Apetamin review.
Yeah, my scene saying on the behavior. But carry on, set speed. Remember Jesus born in a main jacket.
So this is the box, and I'm just gonna read off some of the stuff. It's a 200 milliliter bottle. Keep out of reach of children. It says the expiration date, and it tells you some cautions like some individuals may feel drowsy when first taking Apetamin syrup. If this happens, they should not drive a vehicle or operate machinery, etc, etc, etc. And then it tells you how much it tells you how much the 5 milliliter has in it, like the amount of ingredients or whatever. And then this is the little cup. So there's a 5 milliliter, 10 milliliter, and 15 milliliter. And then this is the bottle. It just looks like this. And sorry if you hear noise, my washing machine is doing its job. So this is the bottle, and it just says Apetamin right here. It's really blurry, whatever, sorry. Actually, let me change that. It just says Apetamin, and it came up to here. So this is an initial review, and I'm right here. So I've only taken it for like about 4 days. Make sure that's in focus. I've only taken it for about 4 days, and I wanted to take Apetamin because I wanted to gain some more weight and just, you know, fill in my body. I'm currently 145. And when I started like my whole weight gain journey, I was 135, and that was like 2.5 months ago, so I've gained 10 pounds. I got this in New York City in an African Caribbean grocery store. I paid $15 for it, and they also have it online, but I figured like why not get it when I was in the city. And save like the shipping costs. I believe some sites like Amazon and eBay has it for $15, but then you also have to pay shipping, and then some also have like 2 for $30 or 2 for $40 or whatever. It doesn't taste bad to me. It tastes like cola, the cola champagne from Jamaica. That's what it tastes like. And another person that I'd watched said the same thing. I'm like, okay. And then when I first bought it, it just smelled really terrible. So I'm like, oh my god, I don't know what to expect. But I tried it, and it really does taste like the cola champagne soda from Jamaica. So I wasn't gonna try it until today, but I decided to take it 3 days ago when I was really bored, and I had a full plate of food that I just found out like that I really couldn't do it. But I had work the next day, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna start off by trying the 5 milliliter, which I did, and it didn't make me hungry. It did make me sleepy though. It did make me really drowsy, but it didn't make me any more hungry. So I'm like, okay, well, whatever, I'll try again tomorrow, and then I'll up the dosage. So I tried again the next day when I had some food around, and I tried the 10 milliliter. And again, it didn't really make me hungry, but then what I noticed is that it just made me eat. It just made it feel like everything that was going into my stomach was going into this like unknown pit, you know, the dark place, the silent place, whatever. I just realized that like, yo, I'm eating, but I'm not hungry, but I'm not full. It just made me feel empty. And then I went to sleep right after. So it does make you really sleepy, so be careful of that. And then just yesterday, and also this morning as well, I was like, okay, let me just go up a little bit more. Let me try the 15. Maybe the 15 is what's gonna help me out. And it doesn't make me hungry. You can hear the washing machine, sorry. It doesn't make me hungry. It just makes me feel like I can eat a lot more. Like, it doesn't make me want to eat, but it doesn't make me full. I mean, I don't know. That don't make sense. I'm gonna cut that part out. It doesn't make me hungry. I just eat. Like, it feels like my stomach is a pit. So I really wanted to try it because I wanted to gain weight, and I've seen like some people with amazing results, and I'm just like, yo, like that needs to be me. And I already go to the gym some days, And I really just wanted to gain like a little bit more weight, because when I was 135, I was just an average person. Like, I'll insert a picture of me looking 135, and then I'll also insert a picture of me looking 145. But I'm gonna keep going and finish off the bottle and then come back with another review. I think I'll probably buy another bottle and see where it goes from there. But I'll insert some pictures like of me at 130 and me. I don't ever, no, I wasn't 130, 135. I don't ever remember being smaller than 135. I've always just been 135. I've always tried to get above 135 and it just never helps. Okay, I remember me being smaller than 135, but I'm lying. But I've never been more than 135, and now I'm 145, and I really want to get up to like 165. That's my goal weight. 165, 170. So I'm gonna keep taking this. I'm even gonna buy another bottle because I've seen the miracles it's done for other people, and I just really want to give it a shot. Anyways, thank you again so much for watching. Stay tuned for the other Apetamin upcoming videos. I'll definitely do a final review, and if I buy another bottle, I'll definitely keep talking about it. And I hope I really do gain some weight. But check out my channel. I have a Zoffel haul, a thrift haul, and I have natural hair videos. So keep on watching for more. Yeah. Bye.